Hello everybody. So today I will talk about combination and permutation. So now I will show you how to answer. Let's say we have 6 people in here. We would like to form a group of 4 people on a project. So now question A, how many 4 persons group can be formed? So we have 6 people. We select 4 out of 6, so we can use about combination, and we choose about select 4 out of 6. So we calculate about this number in here. That's about 6 factorial over 4 factorial multiplied by 6 minus 4 factorial. So we calculate this number in here, and you got 15. There are 15 ways to create about the group of 4 persons in here. Question B, how many 4 persons group can be formed including Tom in here? So we have Tom. Here is about a group of 4 persons. We have Tom in here. So that means we have 3 slots for 5 people. Why? Because Tom in here. So that means we have 5 people left. Now we have 3 slots for 5 people. So that means we have combination 5 number 3. So we calculate this number in here, and you got about 10 ways to form the group of 4 persons including Tom in here. Question C, how many 4 persons group can be formed including Tom and or Jane but without both? Now in this situation, we can select about Tom or Jane, but without both. So we have 3 slots in here. That means because we don't have Jane in this location or Tom in this location, so we just have only 4 people. So we will have about number 2 because we have Tom or Jane in here. Multiplied by 4 C in here. So we calculate this number multiplied by number 2 because we select about 3 out of 4 people. So this one you got 8 ways to do this one. The last one, how many 4 person group can be formed including at least 1 woman? So we have 3 people in here. So that's about Mary, Jane and Alexa are women. So in this situation, we need to find a group of 4 people, but they are all male. Later that we use about the total way. We minus about total way to select about of all males. Therefore we can find the group at least 1 woman in here. So the total way we just calculate in here, that's about 15 ways. So we put number 15 in here. About total way to select a group of all males. So that means we have 3 people in here. But the maximum in here is about 3, but the group is about 4. That means in this situation, we have the slope of C33. That is the maximum males in the group of 6 people. Now, because we have one slot in here, so that means we have three. That means in the group of 3 males, we have one slot in here for 3 people. That's why we need to multiply by number 3. But we see that this one is about female. So that means we don't have total wives for all male in the group of 4. So we just ignore this one in here. And now we just got about the same total wives is about 15. Because the last person in here is about female. That means we including about 1 woman in here in this group. So the final answer for question D, that should be about 15. This is the end. Thank you for watching.